Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use hdf5, hierarchical data format version 5, with Python's pandas library. hdf5 is a versatile data storage format that is particularly useful for handling large datasets efficiently. Pandas, on the other hand, is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library in Python. By combining these two tools, you can efficiently handle large datasets with ease. hdf5 is a file format designed to store and organize large amounts of data. It provides a hierarchical structure similar to a file system, allowing you to store datasets, groups, and attributes. hdf5 supports compression, chunking, and parallel I/O, making it suitable for handling large datasets efficiently. Before you begin working with hdf5 and pandas, you need to install the required libraries. You can install them using pip. To write data to an hdf5 file using pandas, you can use the to_hdf function. Here's a simple example. In this example, we created a pandas data frame df and saved it to an hdf5 file named data.h5. We specified the key parameter as df to identify the data frame within the hdf5 file. To read data from an hdf5 file into a pandas data frame, you can use the read_hdf function. Here's how you can do it. In this example, we read the data frame stored in the hdf5 file data.h5 using the read_hdf function. We specified the key parameter as df to identify the data frame within the hdf5 file. In this tutorial, we've learned how to work with hdf5 files in Python using pandas. We covered writing data to an hdf5 file using the to_hdf function and reading data from an hdf5 file using the read_hdf function. By leveraging hdf5 and pandas together, you can efficiently handle large datasets and perform data analysis tasks with ease. This tutorial only scratches the surface of what you can do with hdf5 and pandas. You can explore more advanced features such as compression, chunking, and querying data from hdf5 files to further enhance your data analysis capabilities. ChatGPT